Ever felt your heart race before speaking up in a meeting? You're not alone. But what if I told you that confidence is something you can actually train, just like a muscle? Let's unlock it. Welcome to Elevate IQ, where we help you elevate your success, from business tips to life skills. Today, we'll break down exactly how to walk into any meeting with unstoppable confidence. Preparation is power. The most confident people aren't always the loudest, they're the most prepared. Before your meeting, research key topics, write down talking points, and prepare questions to ask. This makes you feel in control, and that shows. Master your body language. Studies show that 55% of communication is body language. Sit or stand tall, maintain eye contact, and use open gestures. Your mind follows your body. When you look confident, you start to feel confident too. Control your breathing. Take deep breaths before you speak. This calms your nervous system and slows down that racing heart. A steady voice immediately makes you sound more authoritative. Speak in short, clear points. Don't rush or overload your sentences. Short, clear statements show you believe in what you're saying and keep your audience engaged. Call to action. Remember, confidence is built, not born. Start using these tips in your next meeting, and you'll see results fast. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment below which tip you'll try first. This is Elevate IQ, helping you succeed one skill at a time.